How to control your desires, master self-discipline. You sit down to work but within 1 minute your phone buzzes. You check a notification but suddenly 30 minutes are gone. You plan to hit the gym but the comfort of your bed convinces you otherwise. Sound familiar? Most people struggle with self-discipline because they're controlled by their desires. But what if you could rewire your brain to take control? In this video, I'll show you how to break free from distraction, bad habit and instant gratification. Why is it so hard to control desires? We live in a world designed to hijack our attention. Social media, fast food and entertainment are made to be addicted. Your brain craves instant gratification, quick pleasure over long-term rewards. That's why scrolling TikTok feels easy but reading a book feels like a chore. The more you give in, the weaker your self-discipline becomes. But you can reverse this by rewiring your brain reward system. Step 1. Dopamine Detox. Reset your brain. Think of your brain like a car engine. If you keep redlining it with social media, junk food and gaming, you burn out your self-control. A dopamine detox reset your brain, making productive tasks enjoyable again. Here's how. Take a break from overstimulation. Reduce social media, junk food and mindless entertainment for 24 hours. Replace bad habits with good ones. Read instead of scrolling. Exercise instead of being watching. Embrace boredom. Let's stress your brain by doing nothing for a while. After this, you will find it easier to focus and stay disciplined. Step 2. Train your willpower like a muscle. Self-discipline is not something you born with, it's what you build. Here's how to train it daily. Start small. Change one habit at a time instead of overwhelming yourself. Control your environment. Remove temptation before they control you. Delay gratification. Work first and reward yourself. Every time you resist temptation, you strengthen your willpower. Step 3. Monk Mode, the ultimate discipline challenge. Want to level up? Try Monk Mode. A period of extreme focus and self-discipline. For 30 to 60 days, commit to cutting out distractions, no unnecessary social media, partying and junk food. Follow strict routine, wake up early, focus deeply and exercise regularly. Pursuing one big goal. Build a skill, start a business or get in peak shape. This challenge transforms your mind and build unshakable discipline. Final thought, take control or stay controlled. Right now you have two choices, stuck in short-term pleasure and long-time regret. Take control, build discipline and create the life you truly want. Self-discipline is not about restriction, it's about freedom. The focus to freedom, grow and succeed. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.